So right now we're going to be mixing wall epoxy. All it is it's an epoxy that has a very thick resin, so it's not going to sag or drop, and we're going to fill in all our tile grout lines, as well as smooth out some of our edges and stuff like that. So you could use other products. Sometimes I use a gypsum with epoxy, but I always have epoxy. If you just were to use gypsum powder or concrete or self-leveler or Bondo, it's not going to bond very well with ceramic or porcelain, so I would definitely recommend using epoxy, and the wall epoxy is just the easiest, fastest way to do it. Make sure you are ready to start troweling this product into the voids and where you need it as soon as you mix it, because you don't want to be pouring your hardener in here, mixing your product, and then trying to run around and try to prep a job site or something like that, because this does have a pot life. It's curing just like any other epoxy, so you do want to get it out of the container. So we're not going to mix a color in with this. We're just going to go clear. I'm scraping the sides and the bottom of the pail to get any unmixed A or B off the sides. Take your time, it's pretty thick, so just move slow. A lot of people, when they drill mix and then they stick mix like we tell them to, and then we're gonna drill mix again because we're trying to get the A and B off. But I see a lot of people, they just mix with a stick, and we're not mixing with a stick. We're actually taking that stick and just scraping the edges and bottom. So if you're just mixing in the middle, you're really not, it's really not serving any purpose. So, and you'll have tacky soft spots that won't sand easily. We wanna be able to trowel this down and have it cure properly. That's why we're doing it, so we don't have little soft spots. So now we're gonna drill mix it really quick one more time, and we'll be ready to trowel. I'm going to get some of this out of the container right now, just so we have more working time.